Why Americans stay broke even with high income. When income goes up, spending usually goes up too. A raise comes in, and suddenly there's a bigger apartment, a newer car, more subscriptions, more monthly payments. This is called lifestyle inflation. More money doesn't fix money problems if spending grows at the same speed. That's why many Americans earn more every year but feel poorer than before.
The projections look solid, but we need to factor
Credit cards feel harmless. Swipe now, pay later. Minimum payments look small, so people feel safe. But here's the truth. Most minimum payments go toward interest, not your balance. The bank makes money every month. You stay stuck in debt for years. Credit cards aren't evil, but using them without a plan keeps people broke.
One unexpected expense, a medical bill, a car repair, a sudden job loss, and everything collapses. Most Americans don't have even $1,000 saved. So when life happens, they turn to credit cards again. Debt becomes the emergency fund.
It's beautiful, perfect for our lifestyle. I love it.
Schools don't teach money. Most parents were never taught either. So people grow up knowing how to work, but not how to manage money. They learn how to earn, but not how to keep or grow. Mistakes get repeated, generation after generation. Here's the hard truth.
I know, it says
More
here
income
1,500.
doesn't fix bad habits. Without a system, more money just means bigger mistakes. That's why lottery winners go broke. That's why athletes lose millions. Income is powerful only when paired with discipline.
What if we pay in installments?
Financial freedom isn't magic. It's simple habits done consistently. Budgeting with intention. Using credit wisely. Saving for emergencies. Investing for the future. Smart Americans don't avoid money. They learn how to control it. If you want to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, if you want money to work for you instead of against you, you're in the right place. Subscribe to DollarPath Lab and learn how money really works in America.